Hello, future financial moguls. Welcome back to 333 Ways to Earn with ChatGPT. Today, we're talking about a super lucrative way to earn while helping people secure their dreams, drafting investment proposal templates. Whether it's a tech startup looking for angel investors or a local business pitching to banks, everyone needs a sharp professional proposal to seal the deal. And with ChatGPT, you can be the mastermind behind these winning templates. Let's dive in. Why investment proposal templates are in demand. Here's the thing. Investors don't just throw money at you because you ask nicely. A killer investment proposal is the golden ticket that convinces them to open their wallets. But not everyone knows how to structure one, let alone make it impressive. That's where you step in, offering expertly crafted templates that turn visions into viable, fundable projects. How ChatGPT makes the job easy. ChatGPT is your behind-the-scenes partner in creating sleek, professional proposals. Here's how to use it. Ask ChatGPT to outline a basic investment proposal. Generate a template for a tech startup seeking funding from venture capitalists. Customize sections like the executive summary, market analysis, financial projections, and the funding request. For niche industries, prompt ChatGPT with specific details like create an investment proposal template for a renewable energy startup. In minutes, you'll have a solid foundation to build upon, saving you hours of effort. What goes into a winning investment proposal? Make your templates comprehensive yet easy to customize. Include executive summary, a compelling overview of the business and its goals. Market analysis, research and data that show the opportunity. Financial plan, projections, budgets, and expected ROI. Call to action, a clear, confident funding request. ChatGPT can help you refine each section to sound polished and professional. Add value with personalization options. Want to make your service stand out? Offer tailored templates for specific industries like tech, fashion, or green energy. You can also include editable design elements like company branding placeholders, charts, and visuals. This added touch will make your clients feel like they're getting a premium product. Where to find clients? The world is full of budding entrepreneurs and ambitious businesses. Reach them by offering services on Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn, partnering with business incubators or startup hubs, advertising on platforms where startups and small businesses congregate, like Reddit or Slack communities. Pitch yourself as the go-to expert for investment proposal templates that win funding. Set your pricing, start with basic templates priced at $50 to $100, and then upsell personalized or industry-specific versions for $200 to $500. Offer package deals like a bundle of templates plus consultation for even higher earnings. Why this idea works. Investment proposals are high-stakes documents, and people are willing to pay for quality. With ChatGPT handling the heavy lifting, you can produce polished, professional templates quickly, making this a profitable and scalable service. And there you have it, another brilliant way to earn with ChatGPT. If you're ready to help entrepreneurs and businesses secure their funding dreams, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment. What industry would you love to create investment proposals for? Stay tuned for more creative ideas in 333 Ways to Earn with ChatGPT. Until next time, keep hustling, keep creating, and keep earning.